Welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. Here we have a question. What is the remainder when 3 raised to power 100 is divided by 7? We can get any number here. We can get any number here. Like I can get 5 raised to power 1000 or 6 raised to power something, right? We can get any number here, or we are supposed to divide with any number given. Then what are we supposed to do in this case? You will always apply this rule only. How? When you know that when A is divided by B, it can be written as this, where this R is called remainder, right? How? I will explain you that now. So suppose we have here 3 raised to power 100. We will start it with 3. What is 3? 3 raised to power 1. Okay, that is equal to 3, right? So when you divide this with 7, what will you get? You will actually get remainder 3 only, right? 3 mod 7, right? Okay, now we will start with 3 2. 3 square is what? 9. When you divide this with 7, what will you get? You will actually get this 2 mod 7, because you are dividing with 7. This remainder you are getting, right? Now 3 cube, this is 27. Now when you divide this with 7, 7 3s are 21, so you will actually get 6 remainder, right? Okay, 3 raised to power 4 is actually 81. When you divide this, what will you get? So this is 4, right? Mod 7, right? And then you get 3 raised to power 5 is what? 243. This is, you divide this with 7. 7 3s are 21, right? 3 remainder, and then 33 you get, and then 33 when you divide it with 7, what will you get? 7 4s are 28, right? So 5 mod 7, right? Okay, now 3 raised to power 6 is 729. Now you divide this with 7. 7 ones are 7, right? 0. And then you have 2, and then 9 28, and then you get 1. So this is 1 mod 7. Okay. Now raised to power 6 1. Now when you get 1, it is actually after this, in 3 raised to power 7 you will start getting 3 as remainder. Why? Because 3 raised to power 0 is 1 and you got 1 already. So the cycle length is what? Cycle length is 6. You always need to see this cycle length only until you get 1. Okay. So here you can say cycle length is what? 6, right? After that, what will you do now? This is 3 raised to power 100. You divide it with 6. What will you get remainder? So just write the remainder. So write 100 mod 6. When you divide this with 6, 96 is divisible by 6. So you will get 3 raised to power 4. What is 3 raised to power 4? This is actually 4 mod 7, right? So remainder is 4 when this 3 raised to power 4 is divided by 7. So that means with 100 as well you will get remainder 4.